Welcome back to my channel, Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this simple head wrap. You can see how simple and classy it looks. I'm going to show you how to make that. So this is my fabric. As you can see, it stretches. So the side that stretches is the side that will be the circumference. So here I have the head circumference and then the width of the head wrap. This is 8 inches, and so you have two pieces of this. You cut them into two. So first thing you're going to do is to fold it into two like so, the two of them, and then go to your sewing machine and sew this edge. After sewing it, this is how it's looking. Can you see? Then you're going to go ahead and turn this out. So after turning it out, this is how it's going to look. The same thing with the other side. Make sure to also turn that one also out. And then we're going to place it like this. And then you will need to get the midpoint of this. That is where the crisscross is going to be. So you're going to measure this and mark the midpoint. So mine is 23 inches. I'll mark the midpoint as 11.5 inches. Go ahead and mark the same thing on the second piece. Make sure the two of them are on the same line. This is where we're going to make the crisscross. So what you're going to do is to get your needle and thread. We are going to gather this, so you make a gathering stitches on that line that you have drawn. My line is not showing, but you can see that I have drawn the line. I am seeing it, but I know you guys are not seeing it. So when you're doing yours, you should be able to see the line. So you follow the line and make gathering stitches on both of the two pieces. Once you're done gathering it, make sure to lock it. You see, I'm locking mine. Make sure to lock it there so that the gather still remains in place. That is what is going to give the crisscross effect. So now after sewing it, I go ahead and cut out the extra thread. Then you're going to see this is how it's going to look when you're done. If you place the two of them, it should look like this. You can actually wear this like this, but we're going to go ahead and crisscross it. So just do it like so. It's that simple. Then you are going to sew it. Go ahead and match the two of them right side facing together and sew it. If you notice, you can see all the things I'm doing. I'm leaving the side that has the stitches under. So after stitching it, I'll show you the next thing to do. I'll go ahead and pin it down, because if you don't pin it down, it might scatter and you will not understand the crisscross you just made. So make sure you always pin it down. It will make your work easier, in fact. Once I'm done pinning it down, I'll go to my machine and stitch it. So this is it after stitching it. You can see. Now you are going to turn it inside out and turn it like this and sew it here. So after sewing it, that is it. You see it. Make sure to overlock that raw edge, and it should look something like this. Can you guys see? It's very simple and yet very, very classy. This can save your life, and you can sew this to sell it. So let me go ahead and wear it for you to see. Can you see how classy this is looking? So guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video.